In the video, I will explain you about the various R values. அதை நம்ம combined gas equationலேருந்து நம்ம derive பண்ணுவோம். combined gas equation அப்படின்றது PV is equal to nRT. அதை நம்ம various formsல எடுத்துன்னு வரலாம். Boyle's lawல வந்து pressure is inversely proportional to volume or PV is equal to constant. Charles lawல வந்து volume is directly proportional to temperature or V by T is equal to constant. Gay-Lussac's law, pressure is directly proportional to temperature or P by T is equal to constant. இதை நம்ம combine பண்ணோம்னா P1 V1 by T2 is equal to P2 V2 by T2, which is equal to a constant, and that is called as R, which is the gas constant. So the equation is PV is equal to nRT. So இந்த Pல வந்து என்ன values நம்ம எடுத்துக்க போகிறோம். Pressure, suppose if you take pressure as 1 atom, 1 atmospheric pressure, V வந்து 20.4 liters, temperature 273 degree Kelvin for 1 mole of a gas, then R will be, from this ideal gas equation, R will be, for 1 mole, it will be PV by RT. So if you substitute the values of P, V and T in this equation, you get P 1 atom, V is 22.4 liters per mole, which is 1 mole, and divide by Kelvin, that is 273 Kelvin. So if you divide 22.4 by 273, you get 0.081. So that will be liter atom per mole per Kelvin. That will be the units for R. Suppose if you take R value in SI units, then volume is, we can take it as 22,400 ml. Pressure as 1 bar. Volume, you can convert it into decimeter cube, that is 22.7 decimeter cube. So again, if you substitute the values in R equation, which is R equal to PV by T, where N equal to 1 for 1 mole, pressure is 1 bar, volume is 22.7 decimeter cube, 1 mole, and 273 Kelvin. So if you divide 22.7 by 273, then you will get 0.0832 bar per decimeter cube per mole per Kelvin. Okay, in either case you can take this value for all practical purposes 0.08. 0.08 liter atom per mole per Kelvin னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். 0.08 bar decimeter cube per Kelvin per mole னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். CGS unit நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம், அதை நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி போடுவோம். Say for example, pressure வந்து if you take it as 76 centimeter, which is nothing but 76 into 13.6, which is the density of mercury, into that 981 G. So if you multiply, this will be in dynes per square centimeter. Suppose if you take the volume as 22.4 liters, temperature 273 Kelvin for 1 mole, then if you substitute that values in R, PV is equal to PV by T, that is if you multiply 76 into 13.6 into 981 M, this is if you convert centimeter into dynes per square centimeter, you will multiply this by this 13.6 and 981 into 22,400 by 273. You will get the value of 8.319 into 10 power 7 ergs per degree per mole. So this, if you convert it into ergs per degree per mole. So now the conversion factor is 10 power 7 ergs is 1 joule. So if you substitute that in this equation, you get R equal to 8.319 into 10 power 7 by 10 power 7 joules per degree per mole. If you convert them into Kelvin, you will have 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole. So this is the value in joules per Kelvin per mole. Okay, so you have three values. R equal to 8.314 if the values are given in joules and Kelvin and mole. If it is given in liter atom per mole per Kelvin, it is 0.08, or in bar decimeter cube per Kelvin per mole, it will be 0.08. So you have to remember this. Okay.